How it's been described is that there's been one rule for the elite, especially the elite that's connected to power, and another for everybody else. I think I'll leave it at that. Yeah.
Accounts were opened in the name of these low-wage employees who do not come into the tax net. Money used to be deposited in those accounts, and finally they used to land in the accounts of either Mr. Hamza Shahbaz Sharif, Mr. Sulaiman Shahbaz Sharif, or Mr. Shahbaz Sharif himself. They said that people used to come with gunmen into the banks.
The first journalist who exposed the huge corruption in the government was killed at the front door of his house.
All the 5 judges declared that Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif is not an honest person.
London is the second home of House of Sharif.
London and its role in the offshore world is that it's a money launderer's paradise. It's a money launderer's paradise.
I think the main issues for developing countries are Western countries. We have a ready-made system where corrupt individuals can hide, can spend, can clean their money.
When you look at the laws, I'm talking about the richer countries as a whole, they tend to favor the crooks.
Some countries, they say that what is ours and what is yours is also ours.
The world needs to wake up.